So we paid $78 to get inside the Heritage Park.
That's because we didn't get a discount. Orange is an old scooter.
Is it?
Yeah, look, old scooter looks like this. Next time, look at that car attraction. Oh. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah!
Uh-oh. Where
Again, we're stuck at the top. Uh-oh.
Yeah, we're just right on top of people. What happens if it breaks?
Uh-oh.
Ready? Can you please hold- Hi guys, today we're in an old steam train. It's like one of the oldest that is driving. And we're gonna go two loops around the park. And then we're going to go back on the station. The station's right behind me. The thing that looks like a thumb is the map.
Okay.
Here he comes! You're gonna be scared, it's completely dark.
I'm a little bit scared.
It's completely dark, Daddy.
Oh, wow.
It's completely dark.
If you come over here, walk around the side, go over beside the
Where
gentleman.
you can see the fire.
Okay, so it comes up underneath the fire and it blows the air straight up.
So watch the fire when he turns.
Watch when I turn this.
Oh, yeah.
So it blows air in, makes it go up. And
Okay,
again,
but why
come
do
over
you,
here, you can see
but why
the
do you even need fire?
Because it makes the steel hot, and when the steel's hot, we can bend it and into whatever shape we want.
That's
We
right.
can make it what we want. And that's why I heated that piece up, so that I can make it into the shape I want. Because I'm making it look like a natural flower. I'm assembling a flower over here, and when I'm done, it'll be just like this. It's made from a railroad spike.
See, and I'm making it.
Yeah, and then pull back on that rope there, bud. Pull back on it. There. You got me. How's that?
Someone lives. Daddy, this is gonna be creepy.
Why? Oh, that's indeed creepy. Now we can't open you. So we've spent around 4 hours in this village. Looks quite nice, a lot of old buildings. You can go inside, you can go even to the second floor of the building. some attractions for kids.
We'll draw a smile on the
So
top.
quite good. Worth visiting for a day.
I don't know.